I'm totally ecstatic right now. I feel like jumping up and down.
Action! Look, I have a dream.
Well, Ralph's late tech.
The Department of Education, in its mandate to provide quality education, wants to be able to focus its attention on the arts as a whole. And I do see this as being part of that wider outcome and that wider mandate.
I am here today with the Nab'Ubomi people with this fantastic opportunity of exploring creative talents and technology all bunched up in one.
We are giving the competition our blessing because we can see the importance and we can see the manner in which the competition can generate a myriad of opportunities for our learners in terms of language, in terms of skills development, and also in terms of exposing them to the wider world and giving them a voice to say, yes, we are interested, we want to listen to what you can say, what you say to us, and we are interested in seeing what you can produce.
I'm excited because these people are helping in exposing the learners in the world of films, production, directing, and camera handling.
I would like to congratulate them on a spectacular job that they have done. Taking the learners first on a camp, explaining the process, and then the actual making of the film.
After you go to the camp and you give that course to us, we get an idea of what's supposed to be done and how it's supposed to be done. So everything just falls into place and we know exactly what we should do. So it's a good experience, it's a great experience.
I believe that somebody said that until the lions start to write their own books and tell the stories, we will always read about the hunters. And that is the fact of the matter, that we need to go out there and make sure that we tell our own stories. Who is going to say that my story is less important than your story? And who is going to say that your story is less important than my story? Wherever you come from, you have got a story to tell.
Nab'Ubomi is developing their confidence. Now they can stand in front of a camera. They communicate. I'm quite sure that they will fare very well in the outside world.
Seriously, there's never opportunities like this that we give, and like I don't think they do this in other provinces and stuff. So like getting an opportunity to do a film is huge, and being exposed to things like this at such a young age and being able to handle such, you know, hardcore equipment and to be taught about like the entertainment business was a great opportunity.
It's opening up some career opportunities. I've heard from them as they were conversing that when they pass grade 12, they will be journalists, they will be news readers, they will be TV presenters. Most of all, they will be film people. They never knew how it is done. Even myself, I never knew a single concept about film. I was asking about this boom swinger. What is the function of a boom swinger?
The party boom swinger, the bigger players go and talk about so that it sound
It's been wonderful for language development. As I say, I'm the English subject advisor, and so when they learn something new, it makes me happy as well. But definitely they have learned, not only those few people specifically involved, but I think also all the children who have something to do with it have learned something new, and it will improve their language.
There's a new genre that has been introduced in our language, the film study. Then if the learners in grade 11 are involved and engaged in this, then it means they won't have any problems. They'll be doing something they are aware of.
I have been reminded yet once again just how important the creative talents of the director needs to be. I'm absolutely amazed at these youngsters that can create a movie like this.
I think this says to me, I have an talent in directing, even if I had directed such a little story. I believe that little things begin small and they end up big. You start from zero to hero. So I know that a journey of million miles begin with one step.
And it doesn't take a genius esuka eGauteng okanye kwiindawo ezibalulekileyo kunezilali zabo ukuba benze umsebenzi onje. Nabo xa i-opportunities zivulelekile mabazimisele into yoba bangayenza nabo le nto.
Xa operator icamera bendingayazi like ukhona indawo where you have to zoom ibe wide ibe tight and ibe kumnandi to lift it up besiphakamisa kamnandi.
I think it's always a challenge for these school youngsters to have to keep up at a professional speed because we're shooting entire films in one day. It just requires a lot of skill, and I've just been very impressed with the intuition and skills that these guys have been able to pick on very quickly.
I wish it had started earlier, many years back, because it's exposing learners to different things and learners get the chance to show their talents, because some of them, even at matric level, they don't know what they are good at.
I enjoyed myself. It was a great challenge. It's something that each and every learner can look forward to.
We made history. I enjoyed it.
I can see myself directing next to the likes of Quentin Tarantino, Mel Gibson. They got nothing on me, I'm the best. Thanks.
I'll really treasure it for the rest of my life. One day I'll make it big and I'll remember this. I really will.
The learners are excited, the learners are so into this filmmaking.
Thank you, Nab'Ubomi.
Guys, that's a wrap.